Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and in today's episode we're talking about how you can make money fairly quickly by doing a gift wrapping service. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money fairly quickly by doing a gift wrapping service. Now, why do you want to do a gift wrapping service? Well, because it's pretty much all profit. It is very, very inexpensive to do a gift wrapping service. The most materials you're going to need is tape, gift wrapping paper, maybe a bow and a name tape, and scissors. That's it. You can literally get started for under $10. Now, why do you want to do a gift wrapping service? Well, the best part about gift wrapping services is many people believe that gift wrapping only happens for Christmas. But, truth be told, people do gift wrapping all year round for birthdays, or weddings, and other special events besides just Christmas. In which case, you could be a part-time business, a full-time business, or you could just go seasonal for the holidays. And as I said, it's fairly inexpensive and does not require much to be able to do a gift wrapping service. As long as you know how to wrap gifts, you're in business. If you don't, or maybe if you're not all that good at it, it only takes a little bit to hone up your skills and become very proficient at it, and you could really make a lot of money by doing it. All it requires is the basic little supplies, and then people can contact you, bring you the gifts, give you the information of who it's from and who it's going to, and then you wrap them, they pick them up, and then bring them home. You could charge per gift, you could charge per a number of gifts, or you can charge just by the job of however many gifts it is. So, for instance, you could say $5 per gift, and you may only use maybe $1 or $2 worth of material, depending on how big the gift may be, whether you've got bows on it, name tapes on it, and so on. You could charge upwards of $25 to $100, depending on how many gifts they have and what all they want done and so on. You set your prices. And as I said, you could do this part-time, full-time, or seasonally. It's entirely up to you. And this is just one of many, many ways for you to be able to make money from home and online. If you want more information, head on over to my blog at consultablindguy.com/blog, where you can find an article on this topic and many more. And if you're interested, you can also buy a copy of my book, Income Booster, 100 plus businesses that you could start from home and ditch the 9-to-5. There's literally a ton of information in there and over 100 different ways for you to start making money right now, today, from home. Links in the description. I hope you found today's video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead, drop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. Until the next time, have a great day or evening, and we'll see you in the next episode.